Hi, this is Mrs. Oakley, and today we're going to look at Unit 8, Lesson 2. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to read an expression and know what operation it's asking for. All right, so translating expressions. There's many ways to translate an expression into words. So here are some examples of two different ways to write an expression. So like for addition, here we have n plus 5. We could say the sum of a number and 5. 5 more than a number. Subtraction, n minus 11. A number minus 11. 11 subtracted from a number. Multiplication, when you see a number right in front of a letter, it always means multiplication. So 8 times the number, the product of a number and 8. Division, you'll see it in fraction form, n over 3, a number divided by 3, the quotient of a number and 3. All right, so what are some words that we need to look for? Make sure that you get these in your notes because you're going to be using them a lot in this unit. So for addition, you'll see sum, more than, increased by, total, plus, all together. I would pause the video, make sure you get all of these written down for addition. So then for subtraction, we have difference, less than, decreased by, subtracted from, minus. You pause the video again and get these copied down. It'll make your job easier over the next couple lessons. All right, multiplication, product, times, twice, double or triple, of or per. Okay, pausing that video, get them down. All right, division, divided by, quotient, half or third, and separated. Pause the video and get these down. All right, now that you have these all in your notes, let's practice using them. So we have 12 increased by a number. Now, in the next lesson, we'll write this out. But right now, all I want you to do for lesson 2 is to decide if it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay? So increase, if we're increasing something, we are adding it. Okay? The quotient of a number and 7. Quotient means the answer to division, so we're dividing. A number decreased by 4. Decrease means it's getting less, so we're going to minus. The product means multiplication. Now, when we're using expressions, you usually won't see an X. You'll usually see the dot, but it's kind of hard to put the dot here. Actually, I could do it. Let's do that instead. You'll see the dot, or you'll see them butted up next to each other, right next to each other. Okay? They don't use the X in expressions because X could be a variable. And then 3 less than a number means to subtract. All right, now it's your turn. Go ahead and pause the video and decide what operation these 5 are asking you to do. And come back and see if you got them correct. Okay, 4/5 of a number. So you're getting part of your multiplying. So let's get rid of that. Okay, the sum of a number. Sum means to add. That's the answer to an addition problem. 42 subtracted. That's an easy one. We know subtracted means minus. Twice a number. That means to, again, let's get our dot out. We're multiplying. And last but not least, the difference means to subtract. Great job. All right, you are done with Unit 8, Lesson 2. Go ahead and head back to Classcraft, and I will see you back here for the next lesson.